Everything that ever was is still out there somewhere. Light doesn't die, it just travels further than we can follow. Woke up at the edge of the observable universe. No map, no signal, no one left to call. Charting my coordinates by the sound of my own breathing. Find my longitude inside the space between heartbeats. Yeah, yeah. Carbon copy of a star that burned out 60 million years before my grandmother's grandmother breathed her first cold air into clay morning. Cold air into clay morning. Still the atom match, still the frequency connected. Still the blood, remember what the mind forgot to mention. What the mind forgot. Gravity is just love with a scientific name. Everything falling toward everything else. Nothing truly separate. Nothing truly same. Nothing truly same. We are the aftermath for something beautiful exploding. Beautiful exploding. Scattered into being without being asked. Without being asked. Without being asked. Finding our way home through the debris. Through the debris of what we used to be before we were anything. Before we were anything. Microscopic and infinite, both at once. A single grain of cosmic dust that somehow learned to love. Learn to love. Microscopic and infinite, falling and ascending, never lost. Never lost. Only traveling, only traveling. Pull the black holes with the silence from the center of a Tuesday. Discover masses just intention, giving way by repetition. Giving way by repetition, giving way by repetition. Yeah. The mathematics of becoming don't require understanding, just the willingness to move through the dark without demanding light appear before it's ready. Before it's ready. Before it's ready. Before it's ready. Yeah. Nebulae don't ask permission to become the thing they're becoming. Supernovas don't apologize for the brightness of their running. The brightness of their running. 14 billion years of practice just to land inside this body. 14 billion years of reaching just to finally call it something. Just to call it something.
Every scar a constellation.
Constellation, constellation.
Every wound a new formation.
Formation, formation.
Every loss a star collapsing into something worth inhabiting. Microscopic and infinite,
Both at once.
a single grain of cosmic dust
That somehow learned to love.
learn to love. Microscopic and infinite,
Falling and ascending,
never lost.
never lost. Only traveling, only traveling. They measured the universe and called it lonely. Called it lonely. But loneliness requires someone to feel it. Someone to feel it. Which means awareness was always built into the blueprint. Built into the blueprint. Which means the cosmos knew it needed witnesses. Needed witnesses. So it made us. So it made us. Eyes to see itself. Eyes to see itself. Ears to hear the frequency. It had been broadcasting since before silence had a name. 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 Running at the speed of what I'm becoming. Can't slow down long enough to mourn what I've already been. Already been. The person that I was last year, last decade, last lifetime left me cues. I'm only now learning how to read. Learning how to read. Grief is just love, with nowhere left to orbit, so it circles inward. Compresses into diamond. Compresses into diamond. Every heavy thing eventually becomes the hardest thing. Every hard thing eventually becomes the clearest. Comes the clearest. Psycho drops. The universe didn't build you fragile, it built you out of what survived. Every extinction, every impact, every ice age, every fire. Every fire, every fire. You are the thing that made it through. The thing that made it through. And still,
You doubt the caliber of what you are.
still,
You forget that stars don't question whether they deserve to shine.
to shine.
Microscopic and infinite,
Both at once.
a single grain of cosmic dust
That somehow learned to love.
learn to love. Microscopic and infinite,
Falling and ascending,
never lost.
never lost. Only traveling, only traveling.
Everything that ever was is still out there somewhere. Still out there. Light doesn't die.
Doesn't die.
It just